Hello, and welcome to the Altair PollEx DFE tutorial. In this case, we're going to show you how to run a quick DFE check on your board. After exporting your board from Altair to PollEx using the extension tool, you will need to go to the DFE menu. In PollEx, go to Options, and then DFE and DFE Input. Here you can see the different test setups and also change some of the values. In our example, we are going to load some of our previous input files. This will have all the preset conditions ready to go and previous setups that you can reuse from board to board. Along the left side, we can check which tests we will run and select different tests to run. And confirm whether or not you want to overwrite the input file. The system will batch run the test and show the outputs within the PollEx window. Here you can check on the failed test and review them. For example, let's look at the copper crossover test and results. Here we're looking for examples where signal traces have disproportionate copper on either the top or bottom layers. When clicking around in PollEx, it automatically cross probes to the location in the Altair design. You can adjust the view and see exactly the distance between the two layers of copper. Now your team can make an educated decision about whether to call this a fail or to pass based off of the use case. We can also look at the board to net clearance to determine which nets are too close to the board edge. Again, clicking through the different fails allows us to cross probe onto the actual Altair PCB. Finally, if we need to update or adjust any of the parameters, we can easily go back into the DFE input, update the values, and rerun the test. Here we are looking at the results of the length and width test for differential pair nets. For the DFE tools, we can export all the results onto an Excel sheet to make for an efficient process of reviewing the board with the team. Thank you for watching, and visit our website for more information.